Hey Nash, as you know, homecoming is right around the corner, but ticket sales for this year's dance will look a little different. Beginning next Wednesday, all ticket sales will be done via an online system. So, stay tuned to learn how to use it, and we hope to see you at the Harvest Moon Homecoming Dance on Saturday, September 30th.
This will be the landing page that you go to when you click to purchase tickets. When you click purchase tickets, most of you will need to click "Don't have an account already, sign up now." Upon clicking on that, you'll be prompted to create a new student account. Select Student and then select Continue. Once you create your new student account, enter in your birthday. Make sure it's an accurate birthday as they utilize this as a verification throughout the process. Click Continue, and under Create a New Student Account, enter in all of your correct demographic information. First, you're going to select Pennsylvania, then you're going to select Allegheny County, and then upon choosing your school, scroll down to North Allegheny Senior High School. You will now begin to enter in your personal information. This includes your first and last name and your @nastudents.org email address. It is very important that you use the correct email address as the tickets are locked to only this domain. You will then confirm the @nastudents.org email address. Once you've confirmed it, you will enter in your correct grade. Again, make sure that you select the correct grade, as this may prevent you from buying senior-only tickets in the future. You will also enter in your phone number. Then you will verify your email address. When verifying your email address, make sure that you click on the link in your email prior to attempting to log in. Enter in your login credentials. You will then be taken to the My Profile screen. You will enter in your student ID and any additional information such as address that it may request. You will then go to the Homecoming Dance ticket, click on Purchase Tickets. There are early bird tickets for $20 a person and regular tickets for $25. You will select the number of tickets, 1 for an individual, 2 for a couple ticket. Click Continue, and it will take you to the screen asking you to assign each ticket. If you're an individual ticket, you will just select yourself. If you are doing a couple ticket, you will select the other individual on the ticket. You will then click Continue. Once you get to the checkout screen, you will enter in your credit card information just as you would for any other online purchase. Once you enter in all of that information, you will click Buy Tickets, and it will take you to the complete screen. Everyone will have dance agreements that need completed prior to the ticket being issued. If you scroll down on this screen after closing out of that, you will find the dance agreements. These are the same ones that you signed in paper format last year. You will click the yellow box that says Student Signature to put your signature on there. You will then go under Parent Agreement, fill out their first, last name, and email address. They will be prompted to create an account to sign. Your purchase will then be complete.